Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. First of all, thanks for subscribing my channel. Now we are reaching more than 13,000 subscribers on my channel, and I'm very much thankful to you those who are already subscribed my channel. And we are reaching near about 13,000 subscribers on my channel. Thank you, you all who subscribed. And this video, I'm just going to make one more scanner. So last video we made a DOJI scanner. Some request to reverse the scanner, but it is a very easiest one. But you're asking, so I'm just going to make this scanner for my 13K subscribers. And previously, what we have done, so a doji candle which forms at the lower level, and also we are discussing about so how we can create effectively the non-repaint kind of scanners. So if you are using a day low, something kind of thing 15 minutes low or a day low, that may be once it is changed, that scanner the stock would be removed from the list. So after you are doing the back test, you may not be getting those stocks perfectly. For example, then again I'm telling you, so I'm just creating a lot of scanners which is not repaintable. Okay. So for example, this is the day on for 24th October. So where we are seeing some logic in this particular thing. Okay. So here, what is happening? This is the 25th. Yeah. So maybe 24th we will take a study. So in this case, if you are mentioning the day low, this point. Okay. So after that, you are looking for an scanner which scan you the stock maybe at this point. This is what your entry point. For an example, the second candle high break, and it must be previous candle should be the day low. So it is meeting exact condition that high also breaks, and here it is your breakout entry. So once you find the breakout entry, so you may be keeping a day low. It must be happen at a day low. Okay. So in this case, what will happen? Here it will be showing on the stock around 945 in your scanner. Okay, and the same condition, what I'm saying you, the candle, it's a day low, and the next candle, it's engulfing or closing above the high. So, current candle, close, high, previous candle, -1 candle. And the previous -1 candle should be a day low. So, this is what a simple condition, but it will repaint. Why? So, in this case, it is satisfying the current candle close above to the previous one high, and that candle is as of now around 945. This is the day low. Okay, so this will be available, this particular stock would be available on a scanner. Once the day low is broken, your new low which forms, the day low changed, right? So if this particular time the stock is not satisfying your condition, so the stock would shows to 945 to up to this candle around 11 o'clock candle. So after 11, the stock would be removed from the list. So after that, you can see this stock, it forming at the low, and the next pattern, the same conditions what we have created, that is matching here. And this time it will be still available in the scanner and the back test result, because this low is not yet broken. But previously here also the formation, and there also be the formation, but in this formation it will be shown on the candle until unless the day low is broken. So once the day low is broken, the stock would be not on the list. So that's why we are not using such a kind of repaintable scanner. But after you see the backtest result, what are the stock which is not broken the low, that would be available on the scanner. So that is the major reason. So you may be seen the scanner, it will be looks like working perfect in a backtest manner. But after if you are testing on a live, it may be trigger many stop loss or many failures. So that is the reason. So while selecting a scanner or creating a scanner, you should compare this kind of thing. So it will never repaint, must be repaint. So I hope you understood. Even previous videos also some comment regarding the repaint. So this is what a simple condition. Day low I am keeping, and the same day the day low is changed. So the stock is not satisfying your condition. Previously it is satisfied. At one point of the time it is not satisfied, then it will be not available on the backtest result. But initially it's so, but after sometimes later, if the condition not meet, and it will be removed from this. But this particular area, it will be still available. Why? Because of still that does not broken the day low, something like that. So while creating the scanners, you should be very careful about the scanner like which you are creating, it must be a non-repeat. So let me, this is what our previous scanner, what I'm used. So here I'm used the day low is the maximum 30 days low, even it is stop loss also, but the stock would be available. For an example, I'm just seeing the run as one more example, SBI Life, 1410, SBI Life, and it was forming a doji after 30 days on a daily time frame. So here 1410. But whether it is breaks the high or low, whatever the strategy I'm using, whether high breaks I'm going to buy, low breaks I'm going to sell, it's not a matter. But still it is available on the scanner, even it break the high or break the low. Maybe if I am taking a high break to my entry and it immediately break the low, it was a stop loss trade. So where I just finding a stop loss trade, but still it is available. But if I'm backtesting with this particular scanner, that will be helping me to find out whether the system is working or not, because it is non-repeat. Whatever the loss also, or whatever it fails our condition also, it will be showing you on the list. So that's the thing. So what you are asking about to change this code, I will be making one more time. So but it's an easy one. The only line which you have to change is the last one, because all are previously which you have created is the same. So I will be making that one here, and you may be following the step. I'm not interested to share the scanners in the description. Okay, so most of my scanners are available, premium scanners available in my premium group. So if you wish, you can try, or else you just follow the steps to create the scanner how I'm just creating. You can just follow the steps and you may be easily creating the same scanner, same method. But someone who mistake on some points. So recently one of guy who messaged me, instead of 0.003 which I marked here, here in this point where I'm just making a number 0.003. I explained to why I'm making the 0.0, but he was making 1.0003. Then it will be showing you a lot of stocks. While creating a scanner one or two more times, you just confirm whether you are doing right or wrong. Okay, so here it should be less than, and one more symbol changes that it's a plus. Previously we have adding the closing price with the opening price and the percentage change, along with here in the second line opening price plus the percentage change. The condition is the open close price is the condition, but the open from the open the close may be somewhere difference, the point 0.0003 percentage that I'm just looking for. And stock value, if you're looking for 300 rupees stock or 400 rupees stock, that you can use this line, or you can change this also, maybe 100 rupees stock, 200 rupees stock. The reason why I'm making 300 plus, I have already told you, because if the stock doesn't have the movement, there is a lot of doji, and the stock price is very low, there is a lot of doji. That's why I'm making a more than 300 rupees stocks. And final line, this is what for a selling higher level opportunity, the day high and daily high. Yeah, so day high must be equal in this case. Here I'm just using maximum function, so not minimum, here maximum and high, and how many days you want, you just enter into the this bracket. So maybe I'm just looking for a 30 days high. There is a reversal, and it should be forming a doji, or day high doji, sorry, 30 candles high. I'm just finding a doji. There is also be very less number of stock. Recently we have a 9th October Infosys, only that. So this is what a 9th October, this is a 9th October. So in this case, where you can see after moving upside, this is a doji candle which forms at the highest level of the trend. So maybe a reversal I'm just explain or expecting from this trade. So what happened in this case, this particular point, the low is broken. Maybe this is my stop loss. Initially it moves and now it is triggered. Again, it looks like a doji, but it is not exactly what we have given the condition. It is not satisfied. But in this time it is reversed. So maybe here it is my scanner finds this stock, but it was stop loss still available there in the list. So that is the logic. Okay. So what we have created and it was not repainted. So hope you understood. Even it is triggers our stop loss, then it will be showing on the list. No problem at all. Okay. So that kind of Indalco and Sun TV on 27.9. So Indalco, Sun TV. So this is what Indalco 27.9. So after the highest level, but the low break I'm just looking for because of higher level doji formation where I'm expecting for the trend reversal, and the lower level doji formation where I'm looking for a bullish reversal, that I'm just expecting. This time it, after breaking the low, this time it was giving you some good movement. where how I can check it, because initially to break the high, I'm not focusing that for almost 15 points, but after the low broken, it was down by 34 points. After that, again, it went higher and the top, and then it has started falling. And the second stock which forming is on the same time is Sun TV. So where it is happening at highest level, this is what a pattern where we are exactly looking for. But in this case, this was working very perfect in this stock. Higher level, that high is not yet broken till, and from the low is broken, and after that it moves almost 100 points. Our risk may be in the high above 24 points. So this is giving you more than 1:4 and keep on moving lower. Okay, like that. So you can also add some values on the scanners, maybe some other methodology you can use it. But this is what a base idea. So where you can utilize the scanner, and to be reality and this point around 26th September where you can see. And what I'm just looking for below, I'm just going for a focusing opportunity, and almost 39.2%. From that 39 point, it already moved 200 plus points down, and then it recovered back. That's a different concept. And here one more concept like drop and base rally, something kind of thing which is happening. That's a different, but by what condition which you have created, whether the scanner is works or not, and without repainting. So that is what the thing which you are added here, and you can follow the steps and create, and it will be shared on my premium group. Those who are a member on the group, you can access free of cost. Those who are not a member, no problem, you can follow the steps. Only the custom indicator which I have created, I will not share anywhere, because it is a custom indicator which we have created, and then we are based on the custom indicator, we are creating the scanners. Thank you so much, and thanks for subscribing my channel, almost 13,000. Thank you, very happy. Thank you so much. Thanks for your support on my channel. Thank you so much.